Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel, and in this channel I will be going through Edexcel IGCSE Mathematics A past paper walkthroughs of the newest syllabus. So first off, in this video we're gonna talk about the 2020 January 1H paper. Alright, so let's hop on to the video, but before that I want to tell something. Please subscribe the video and stay tuned so that once I upload a new video you will be notified immediately, and I have the link in the description of my mail ID, so if you need any papers please request. And also I have links in the description for the other channels in which I would be describing Edexcel IGCSE chemistry, mathematics, physics and biology. Therefore please kindly subscribe them and stay tuned for more. Question number 1. Point A has coordinates 5 minus 4. Point B has coordinates 13, 1. Work out the coordinate of the midpoint. So now when you are asked a midpoint, you need to state the midpoint of the x values, i.e. of the 15 and 13 as in here, in terms of x 15 and 13, and in terms of y minus 4 and 1. So we would have x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and the other one is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Guys, I'm sorry about the handwriting because I do not have a proper stylus yet. Hopefully we'll get soon. Alright, so x1 in here is 5 and x2 is 13, so 5 plus 13 over 2, comma, let's get rid of this part, 13 comma, this is the x, and of y is minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2, giving us 18 divided by 2 9 and minus 1.5. So guys, in here this part is the coordinate of the x value and this is of the y value. So in part 2 we have said the gradient of line L, whereby line L has this equation. So in here you need to, for any line you have to rearrange into y equals mx plus c, where this m is the gradient and c is the y-intercepts for any line. So this one, it's y equals minus 3x plus 2. So you can clearly see in here that we have our gradient as minus 3. So we would write that down, m, which is the gradient, equals minus 3. So our answer is minus 3. So for the last one, we are asked to state that does the point with coordinates 100, minus 3 or 2 lie on the line S. So what you need to do, you have to substitute these coordinates in here, coordinates of which 100 and minus 3 or 2, into our equation which we are given here, and see if they equate. So as I have shown in here, they does not equate. So what you need to do is you need to write the answer as no, they does not lie on L. No, as minus 3 or 2 is not equal to minus 298. So guys, for question 2 we have to find the lowest common multiple of 28 and 105. So what you need to do is you need to express these as products of its prime factors and write all them down without including the repeated ones. So ideally what you have to do is only include the repeated one. So for 28 we have 2 times 14, and 14 is 2 times 7. So we circle the prime factors of 2, 4 and 7. Likewise 105 is 3 times 35 and 5 times 7. So the prime factors are 3, 5 and 7. So we need to write for 28 is 2 to the power 2 times 7, and for this is 3 times 5. We do not include 7 again. So that would give us an answer of 2 to the power 2 times 7 times 3 times 5, which is 420. This is our final answer, 420. Alright. So that's done for question 2. Question 3, we asked, the diagram shows a shape. The shape has an area of 192. So for this, you need to split this shape. Sorry about that. Split this shape, and then you have two rectangles, and let's label this A and this as B. So first, area of A would equal to length times breadth, which is 9 times 12, giving us an answer of 108. Area of A and area of B equals now x times what? That is what we need to find. So guys, we need to find this length. This length is equal to this whole length, subtract this length, which gives us an answer of 9 minus 6, which is equal to 3. So this part is 3, so let's include that. So area of B equals 3x. So this total area including the area of this plus area of this gives us 129. So let's write that down. 129 equals 3x plus 108. So what you need to do basically is you need to take this to the other side and keep x values in one side. So it's 129 minus 108 equals 3x. So this is 21 equals 3x. So ultimately we're gonna get x equals 7 when you divide both sides by 3. Let's put that in here. X is 7. So that's it for that question. Let's move on to the fourth question. The table shows information about weights in kilograms of 40 babies. Write down model class. Model class is the one that occurs most frequently, which is of 16. So that is 3W more than or equal to 4, less than or equal to 4. Alright. And then B, work out an estimate for the mean weight of the 40 babies. So for this, you need another column in here, and this is called Fx, which is the frequency multiplied by the mid value of our weight class. So that would be, in here is 2.5, so that is 2.5 multiplied by 12. 2.5 multiplied by 12, which gives us an answer of 2.5 multiplied by 12 is 30. Answer in here is 30. Right, sorry about that. Then for the second one, likewise 3.5 multiplied by 16, which is 56. And for the other one, 4.5 multiplied by 9, which is 40.5. And then 5.5 multiplied by 2, which is 11. And this is 6.5 multiplied by 1, which is 6.5 itself. Therefore, we need to find the total of this. We need to find the total of this whole fx, which is basically this plus this plus this plus this plus and this. And then we need to find sigma f, which is the total of frequencies, which is this, that we are already known, which is 40. Therefore, the mean, let's write that down. Mean equals sigma fx over sigma f, which mean denoted by m, is equal to the total in here would be 144 when you add all them. So 144 divided by 40, which is 3.6, I guess. Yes, it's 3.6 kilograms. 3.6. All right. Then we need to move for the part C. Find the probability that this baby has a weight of more than 5 kilograms when 1 out of 4 babies is going to be chosen at random. So let's go back to our graph. So what you would see in here is that more than 5 is this part plus this part, because you can see these classes correspond to our scenario. Therefore that is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So the total is 40. It's going to be 3 over 40. Fifth question, 120 children go on an activity holiday. The ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys. Girls to the number of boys is, that is girls to the number of boys, which is equals to 3:5. So this means we have a total parts of 5 plus 3, which is 8 parts. Therefore, and the key thing to note in here, guys, is we have 120 children. We have the ratio, which is also shown in here. And on Sunday, all the children all go either on sailing or climbing. 6 over 25 of the boys go climbing. Okay, so first we need to find the number of boys. Number of boys equals 5 over 8 multiplied by the total is 120, which gives us an answer of 5 over 8 times 120, that is 75. We have a total of 75 boys. So what do we do next? We have 75 boys, and 16 out of 25 go on climbing. So the percent of boys who the number of boys who go on climbing would be 16 over 21, that denoted by boys who go climbing. Make sure you denote properly on the exam, not like this, equals to 16 over 25 times, now this is climbing, guys, we need sailing, alright, times 75 equals, this is not the number of boys who go on sailing, so this is 48. 48 boys go on climbing, so we need boys sailing. Boys sailing equals 75 minus 48, which is equal to 27. So this is some key point in here, right? Alright, this one, the number of boys. However, we need the total number of children. Twice, the other key thing in here, guys, is this part. Twice as many girls go on sailing as go on climbing. So let's have a separate in here. This means if we have a separate ratio, twice as the girls go on climbing, twice as many girls go on sailing as go on climbing. So the ratio of sailing to climbing is 2:1. Alright, and total we have 3 parts. So this means that number of girls who go on sailing, is 2 out of 3 multiplied by, first we need to find the number of girls. Which is 120 minus 75, because we have a total of 120 and 75 are boys, so which equals 120 minus 75, which is equals to 45. This is 45. 45 girls we have times 45, which is 2/3 times 45 is 30. This is the number of girls who go on climbing, 30. So what we have is this 30 and 27 we have to add together, because these form the number of children, or both girls and boys, who go on sailing. So again, work out how many children go on sailing on Sunday, which is 30 plus 27, which is equal to 57. So that's going to be our final answer, 57 there. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully I will be uploading the part 2 and 3 of this paper. So hang on to it and kindly comment below of what paper should I do next.